Accidentally deleted a photo? Don't panic. It is a common mistake, and luckily in 2025, iOS gives you a few different ways to get your pictures back. We're going to start with the easiest method and then move to the more advanced ones. Step 1: the recently deleted album. This is your first and best option. When you delete a photo, it isn't gone forever. It gets moved to the recently deleted album where it stays for 30 days. To check it, open the Photos app, go to the Albums tab, and scroll down to Utilities. From there, tap on Recently Deleted. You'll need to use your Face ID or passcode to unlock it. Once you're in, you can see all your recently deleted photos with a countdown showing how many days are left until they are permanently erased. Simply tap on a photo you want to recover, then tap the Recover button. It will instantly be returned to your main photo library. Step 2: the iCloud or Finder backup. If your photo isn't in the recently deleted album, your next best bet is an iCloud or Finder backup. This method is a last resort because you have to erase your entire iPhone and restore from a previous backup. This will wipe all the data on your phone and replace it with the data from the backup, so any new photos, messages, or apps will be gone. To do this, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Erase All Content and Settings. Once your phone restarts, during the setup process, choose to restore from iCloud Backup or from Backup on your Mac using Finder. Step 3: when all else fails, if you have exhausted the official methods and are still missing a crucial photo, there are third-party data recovery programs. They claim to recover files from your phone's memory. While they sometimes work, they come with big risks. Many are scams, and others can install viruses or malware. Use them at your own risk. The best way to protect your photos is to turn on iCloud Photos in your settings. That way, all your photos are automatically backed up to the cloud as soon as you take them.